If I had to pick one vehicle that represents passion, ruggedness, and everything I think of in a four-wheel drive, that brand would be Land Rover. And one of the main reasons for that is a very good friend of mine that lives back in South Africa by the name of Walter. Now, sadly, when I moved to Australia, I couldn't bring Walter with me. And so I decided to do as Australians do and buy a Land Cruiser. One of the main reasons for that was reliability. And that is because the Land Cruiser is Australia's vehicle. There is support for them here. There's know-how for them here. But I then went and bought a new Land Cruiser. I bought a first generation 300 series. And so the reliability of this vehicle hinges almost entirely upon how robust its warranty is. That is until recently when I bought myself an ultra gauge that enables me to see exhaust gas temperatures, coolant temperatures, and most importantly, gearbox oil temperature. That was quite an eye-opener. And it was an eye-opener because the engine is entirely stock. I'm driving within the standard weights of the vehicle, so there's nothing untoward happening in terms of the load I'm placing the vehicle under. And yet the gearbox temperatures are still getting out of range. So I have had a few instances where I've actually had an error come up on the dashboard to say the gearbox temperatures are too high, and that's what prompted me to purchase the ultra gauge. And the first time towing with the ultra gauge, I noticed that the temperatures were getting above 100 degrees almost consistently. The moment there's a hill with this thing towing a biggish van, you're going to be above 100 degrees in terms of that gearbox temperature, almost guaranteed. And it's for that reason today that I'm installing this oil cooler. This is a secondary oil cooler for the transmission on the 300 series. It does two things. One, it provides additional cooling capacity with the two oil coolers on it. Other thing it does is it increases the oil capacity within the gearbox. So the more oil you have, the more capacity you have to absorb heat. If you've got a friend to do this with, get them to help you. It's a little bit fiddly. So, will Toyota deny a warranty should I have one in the future? I don't know, but hopefully installing this means that I never have to find out. By the way, if you're wondering how to do this yourself, this is the Wholesale Automatics oil cooler kit for the 300 series, and if you go to this video you can see how to install it yourself.